Hi, this is me, Mohammed, an Excel expert. In this video, I'll walk you through the inventory system that I created for a client for preparing for a restaurant launch. So let's get started. The client wanted an inventory forecasting for two major events, the soft opening and the grand opening event. So he provided me with the older inventory data from the previous launch in another city and also the estimated population figures for the new one. So I started by cleaning the raw data and creating well organized multiple sheets. These included a cover page, as you can see these input and assumption sheets, forecast summary, and separate sheets for soft opening forecast and grand opening forecast. I also created a well organized dashboard that includes all the key numbers for client, so client can easily analyze the data through these visuals. All these sheets, the consistent the applied formatting is consistent across all these sheets, three sheets. I also link all these three sheets with the help of macros, so client can easily switch between sheets. Here you can see that how this works. So the biggest challenge in this project is to analyze the older inventory data and create an accurate data for the new launch. So I used formulas for for forecasting accurate data for the new launch, and this works really well. At the end, the client received a well prepared workbook that is that complete all of his needs for his inventory forecasting. He is very happy with this. If you need a similar Excel system or need any kind of forecasting with your inventory, I would love to help. Thank you.